Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal accounts in Gumroad. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you need to do is just go to your Gumroad settings and then add the PayPal to it. And as you know, Gumroad has or PayPal has stopped working or stopped its services with Gumroad as for October 2024. But after in February in 2025, the Gumroad has restored working with PayPal. And basically, to connect your PayPal account, you would need just to go to your dashboard, and from there, we will be needing just to go to our settings. So here we will find this side menu. You can find the home, your products here, collaborators, checkouts, etc. What we are interested in is to go to our settings. So basically by going to the settings, we will find all these settings. There are the user settings, profile settings as for your name, etc. and team, payment, password, etc. for security and advanced for more other settings. What we are interested in is the payment setting. So from here, you can find the payout schedule, the minimum payout threshold, and then we will find the payouts method. Here, we will be able to start connecting our PayPal. So as you can see, there is a bank account which you can link your bank account to it, and there is also PayPal. So basically, to add your PayPal, you will be able just to click on PayPal, but be aware that PayPal payouts are subject to a 2% processing fee. That means that those are some additional fees that would be added to the payouts for getting paid into PayPal. And from here, you can have more other descriptions, etc. So now all you need to do is just to add your PayPal email. Make sure to add the account type. If you are business or individual, you add your informations and basically you connect with PayPal. So as you can see, you must set up your credit card purchase above before enabling customer PayPal. So you click on connect and basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.